you go.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. I'm so hungry. Here?
Oh no, you don't have to. The guy in front of you already paid for it.
He did?
Yep.
Oh. That is so nice of him. Oh my goodness, God bless his soul. You know what? I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pay for the car behind me.
Oh, that's so nice.
You know what? Because Jesus is watching.
Oh, I love these.
Yes. How much?
$250.10.
Wait, what?
$250.10.
What the fuck is behind me? Is it a fucking tour bus or something?
It's a school bus.
A what?
It's a school bus. It's a field trip.
Putang ng mga bata tong lalakas lumamon na. How much again?
$250.10.
In a fucking drive-thru?
Do you wanna cancel it? Jesus is watching.
You know what? Maybe I'll do it next time because it's okay. Jesus knows I'm broke.